In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Git with Visual Studio Code and Hostinger for seamless GitHub integration using a private repository. Setting up your environment correctly can streamline your workflow and make collaboration much more efficient. So let's dive right in. First, let's understand the role Git plays. Git, as many of you may know, is a powerful version control system. It's the backbone that helps track changes in your projects, allowing for efficient collaboration among developers by coordinating work and managing successive versions. You can also use it personally to maintain versions of files, ensuring you can backtrack changes when required. To kick things off, we'll focus on deploying a Git repository through Hostinger. Navigate to your desired website in the website section on the platform. Next, find and click on the Manage option right next to it. On the left sidebar, you'll need to search for Git and select the appropriate result. Now, within the Create a New Repository field, you can set your deployment preferences. An essential part of this step is to make sure you select the correct repository address and branch, because any mismatch here could result in a failed deployment. It's crucial to leave the install path field empty, as this ensures your website will deploy to your account's root folder, usually public YAML. Remember, the directory specified in the install path should not contain any files or folders, as this also can cause deployment to fail. Once you're set, after adding a new repository, you'll see 4 buttons: Deploys, Automatic Deployment, Latest Build Output, and Delete. The Deploy button initiates the deployment of an already created repository. If you prefer continuous integration, the Automatic Deployment button will be your choice, automatically deploying projects when new commits are pushed. You can also check the latest build output for compile and deployment logs, while the Delete button removes your selected repository. Next, let's talk about using a webhook URL for auto deployment. Auto deployment through a webhook URL allows merging specific Git branches efficiently. Once you activate this feature, by clicking Auto Deployment, you'll receive a webhook URL. Webhooks are incredibly versatile. They allow integrations that subscribe to specific events on GitHub, such as deploying to your production server when certain conditions are met. They can also update backup mirrors or external issue trackers. Think of them as scripts that run automatically upon an event trigger. For a complete and seamless experience, during setup, you may come across external guides on creating a webhook URL. Webhook is particularly beneficial if you have a composer.json file in which a composer update will automatically execute when required changes occur. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials that help streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Happy coding!